Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're opening BoxyCharm again. I have me opening up the last BoxyCharm, but I don't know what I did with the video, so yeah, you already know I'm a hot mess, so I'm very sorry. If I find it, I will upload it. I know this is terrible lighting, but my kids are sleeping in my room, and I'm not trying to wake them up. So we're just gonna open it here, and all you moms, you know the feeling, and I know you're understanding, so I love you guys. We're not gonna read that. We're gonna open up and see what we got. This is a Laura Geller High Def Glow, so it's a highlighter. Look at that. Oh, it's terrible lighting. I know it. I'm so sorry. This one definitely looks way shimmery, and it's actually called Shimmer, and the other one's called Sparkle, so I guess that makes sense. We have a Pharmacy Deep Sweep BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Ooh, pore cleaning toner. Ugh. So, update, I have paid off all of my debt except for my car. So, when I am able to buy a house, because, you know, I was delayed for not having a long enough work history, I will now have a savings because I was able to start a savings. I'm super excited about that. This is what it looks like. With Morgana and papaya. Fancy words, I don't know because I am trash. Triple peptide eye cream. Ooh, do not age, Dr. Bryant. I probably need that because your girl is old. Also, if you can't tell, my sinuses are acting up because of the weather. Like, it was warm enough today for me to walk outside with just my sweater, which you wouldn't think, but it was probably a good like 57, 60 something degrees out. And then all of a sudden, just out of nowhere, it started snowing. What the heck? So, causes my allergies to act up, and I'm about this close to having a sinus infection. This is a Ciate London The Velvet palette. Sounds like something I'm going to like because I like mauves. I can get it open. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. I'll have to play in it, but it's super pretty looking. Like, I feel like I'm gonna like it. I know it's terrible, terrible lighting. There's like a very bright gold, very bright like coral color, very dark maroon, which looks like it's set in deeper than the rest of the shades, but it's pretty. And a lip balm, which I probably need because I've been licking my lips nonstop because of the weather. Probably don't need to be doing that, but I have been. Which looks like this. Sweet orange and coconut. Packaging is a little crooked, unless it's supposed to be like that, but let's see here. It's probably super tough because it's been sitting outside. Yep. Feels hydrating, but yeah. So let's see here. The Ciate London palette was 30 bucks. The Deep Sweep Pore Cleaning Toner was 28. The Laura Geller Highlighting Palette was 33. The Dr. Bryant Do Not Age was 82, and the Balm was 33. So there you go, guys. I like the palette better than the one I got last month. If I can find the video, I will upload it. But I'm not mad at the box. It's definitely not my favorite. You can definitely tell I'm not as excited as I was when I got the Natasha Denona palette. But, you know, I'm still excited, still happy. Definitely more things I can use out of it, or more things that I want to use out of it than some of the other boxes that I've gotten. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up. If my cabinet over there hanging the way it is killing you, leave a comment down below. If the hole in the wall is killing you, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Yeah, thank you guys for being patient with me, all the people that have stayed subscribed, even though my uploads have been all over the place and very inconsistent. I love you guys. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.